Hi, I'm Jason Lewis, Midday's Technophile. Today we'll be trying out ROG 3 gaming phone. It may be wrong to call something as small as a phone a juggernaut, but the Republic of Gamers 3 smartphone is exactly that. Asus has come out to play, loading up this phone with the best available hardware. That doesn't make it the best cell phone in the world, but as a gamer there is very little to compare it to. Let's start with the processor. The ROG 3 houses the latest 865 Plus Snapdragon from Qualcomm. It isn't much different than the regular 865 except for the GPU that is 10% faster. The huge 6.59-inch screen is too big for one-handed operations, even for people with large hands. However, the screen packs a full HD Plus AMO LED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. It is a certified 10-bit HDR Plus display with a color gamut that will make any professional designer blush. The phone has dual front-facing stereo speakers, high-res audio output, and a quad mic setup to reduce unwanted sounds. Asus has also brought back a lot of features from ROG 2, like the air triggers that make gaming on this phone a lot easier, a vapor chamber cooling, the RGB logo at the back, and the custom peekaboo phone cover. They've also included all the gaming considerations for wiring. For example, the power cable is not in the center, so you can still game while charging your phone. You can also charge it from the side port, which would be at the bottom while gaming in landscape mode. The phone will also have access to a range of accessories, including the dual screen module, the dock, and the cooling fan. This time they've also made an effort with the camera. The rear comes with a Sony 64 megapixel main camera, a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro. Most test shots with this setup was pretty good. It isn't the best, but it's pretty close. Considering this is a gaming phone, this quality of picture is pretty impressive. The front camera is also an impressive 24 megapixels. Gaming on this phone is sublime. You can feel the difference. I felt like it improved my gaming considerably. The screen, the processor, and the high touch sensitivity make this an amazing experience. The phone is available in two variants, both with dual SIM slots and 5G capabilities. There is a cheaper 8GB with 128GB internal space version and a more expensive 12GB 256GB version. Aesthetically, the phone is not for everyone. It is big, and at 240 grams, it is pretty heavy. The bright RGB logo at the back and the gamer-centric interface might even put off some users. That said, this phone does not have mass appeal. And that's okay because it was designed with a niche in mind. For that niche, it does everything that you'd want it to do. If you're not looking for a gaming phone, there's a good chance you will give this one a skip. Instead, if you're looking for the very best with almost no compromises, except for probably the camera, then this is the phone for you. This is your Technophile signing out.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.